Hey guys, welcome back to SERPWizz. This is Natalie, and before we get started on our topic for today regarding SE ranking, I just want to give a quick announcement about our lead generation tool that you can go check over at SERPWizz.com. Of course, after watching this video, I just want to mention about that lead generation tool that we have come up with, and it's an awesome tool that you can utilize to get white label reports or white label audits on your website. And if you're interested in checking that out or sampling the tool, then I suggest you go over and check it on SERPWizz.com. There's also a free guide there that you can watch, or a free guide that you can use to see how SERPWizz generates thousands of dollars per month running on autopilot. But yeah, hopefully you guys check that out because it's an absolutely useful and beneficial tool for you should you try it or use it for your business. But yep, going over to what we're going to discuss today, it's gonna be another tool from SE Ranking. So here on the drop down list of the other tools that we have here, we're gonna be talking about Report Builder. So as you can see, I am already on that page, and from the get-go you see there are a lot of templates that you can use to create or generate the report with. So of course, these reports will be coming from the different analysis that you will be doing or that you will utilize the tools to be doing, and then gather them all and generate them into one full report. So you can see here there are templates that you can choose from. If you click on view templates, it's gonna expand and show you more. There are some dedicated templates especially for Google Ads, social media review, website audit issues, organic ranking, and website audits. So all of these are gonna be or are intended for different uses. So for example, you want an SEO report, or you want a rankings overview, or a traffic overview, monthly report, and everything under the sun really, as long as it's a report that you can generate with the help of the tools from SE Ranking. So you can also have a default template right here. All you need to do is choose one. So here, let's try to right click to see what happens or if anything comes out. Alright, so upon right clicking that, you can see here the project name and the report title, and if you hit on create, then it will be generating that report for this specific URL. But in case if you want another one, you can also close that, or actually here you can edit the report according to your requirements or to your preferences, as there are different tabs that you can play with and alter depending on your depending on what you want to see on the final report. Right, so upon closing that report where you can edit a lot of the variables or factors and sections, we went back to the main page, which is choosing what type of template you want to use. So when you hover your mouse on the different templates, you actually get a brief summary of what the template contains. So the cover, rankings chart, project summary, brief rankings history, rankings overview table, and when you go to another one, it's going to contain different sections, because of course these are all for different uses, as I have mentioned earlier. So here, since we don't have a report yet, all we need to do is to generate a report that we can use to fully utilize all of these templates. So I'm gonna leave that specific part on the next video that we'll be making, so that this video won't be too long. So basically this is just gonna be an overview about how Report Builder works. But on the next video, we're gonna try and see the whole thing from generating a report to making it into these different templates that we have. So do tune in for that, and of course don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment should you have any thoughts or takeaways or anything you want to share if ever you have used this specific tool or something like that. But yeah, I just want to thank you all for watching and see you guys again on the next video.